We just had a phone call. It doesn't happen on play school, but, you know.
Right, so what we're going to do...
Jonathan's very popular.
Look, Ava, can you see it's all the way through now?
So it's right through, so you've got your cocktail stick, right through. It's all supported because of the layering of the sticky dots. And now, yeah, and as you can see, you can get the spinning effect. So that's the motion for the windmill. Now what you need to do, you need to apply, when I showed you before about piercing with scissors or with the cocktail stick, you need to use the plasticine to make this safe. So to make this windmill safe, so it doesn't hurt anybody, you need to mould the plasticine.
But you can also stop the cocktail stick being pointy.
Of course you can. You can use scissors, and I think you did that before, didn't you?
Right.
You blunt, did you make it blunt?
The cocktail stick?
Yeah.
No, you did by breaking it.
Oh, was that okay?
But you could use scissors.
You could use scissors. Okay.
Fantastic. Well done.
Right, so what you've got now,
And this one's
that's
And that
brilliant.
one too. Yeah.
Isn't it lovely, Eva?
Right, we need to keep that piece for later, I think.
Just make sure when you're doing this that you are absolutely certain that the top of the cocktail stick is completely secure by the mould of the plasticine. Now what we want to do is we want to get our art straw.
Yeah, I don't need that
Use
anymore.
the stick
Okay.
in a moment.
So Ava,
Ava.
what we're going to do, we're going to get our art straw
Mm-hmm.
and we're going
And
to
these
create...
are paper,
These are
not
paper,
plastic.
not plastic.
We wanted to make everything not plastic
That's
because
true.
we don't want plastic in our oceans.
Absolutely.
Do not.
So, a couple of ways we can do this.
Can I watch this?
Just nicely.
Yes, and oh, do you want to stick some stickers on?
You can stick some stickers on, that's great, yeah. So just nicely, you just want to pierce the art straw. It'll be quite easy to do
With the
it
cocktail stick.
with the cocktail stick. Now the thing is, the way an art straw is designed, it's designed by wrap. So it's wrapped, so you will find some of the wrap within the art straw, and that's the
Right.
weakest point of it. So your cocktail stick should really go
It was
through.
quite easy to go through
To
it,
go
wasn't
through,
it,
yeah.
actually?
This, we need this.
So once you've got, this is another little tip for you. When your art straw meets the back,
The colour.
Just a second, Ava.
the top of your, well, the centre of the windmill, yeah, the cocktail stick, sometimes it pops out. Don't worry, just remould it
Because
again.
you've pushed it
Because you
against
pushed it,
it,
you used a bit of
haven't you?
force. So all you're doing then is you're just applying a little bit more mould around it.
I'm just going to cut the pointy bit of my cocktail stick off so it's not...
I think I'm going to do that as well because
I
that's
think
sensible.
so, yeah,
It keeps it,
isn't it?
yeah. So what we're going to do,
Put it on here. That's it. Fantastic, Ava.
we're going to cut it,
So,
and then,
Lay it down
oh, that's lovely, Ava.
so I can get
Oh, I like your stickers, Ava.
look at this.
That is posh, isn't it?
So just on the back,
some.
you need to apply more mould just
So-
to secure it.
Haven't you to leave a bit of space as well?
Yeah, just to leave it. If you don't leave any space, it's not going to spin.
So space between the straw and your windmill,
Yes.
your sails.
Your sails and
Am I just wrapping it around
obviously,
there? Jonathan?
absolutely, yeah. You just wrap it round and just try and ensure that the back, the
So that
bottom half,
So it's sturdy.
it's steady, yeah, and then it's done.
That's just the dog making funny noises. It's none of us.
And then what you all should have
Sit it down.
Yeah.
is a fully fledged
Windmill.
paper windmill.
Homemade paper
Ava, don't
windmill.
stick that, please.
And I'm going to put mine in my plant pot outside.
Yes, we can put it in the
You
garden.
need to leave a bit of space between.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
He'll not invite me again.
That's it. Well done, Ava. You've done a brilliant job at that.
I do think Ava's is lovely.
It's
And
lovely.
if you can find anything in your home to decorate your windmill with, you do. Make sure it's not too heavy. You don't want to stop it whizzing round once the wind hits it. But you can colour it. We've got pencil crayons here and paints. We've even got ink for stamps. And then the lovely seaside stickers, aren't they? Fab that
I love.
Ava's been using.
Ava's one.
Well done.
Great
I
job.
hope you enjoy making it. We'll send you everything you need to make your own windmill, and if you can keep an eye on the meet me at the Windmill Facebook page. You'll find out when we're putting our sculpture done by a local artist on our headland, on Waterloo Road headland, and you can come and you can bring your windmill and show us how wonderfully decorated it is. I think there might be ice creams and cupcakes.
Put it on that side.